Mechanism of acid catalyzed tautomerism. Remember that the mechanism takes place in two steps. Step number one in acid catalyzed tautomerism is protonation. For example, we have CH3 single bond, CH3 and ketones, and it react with H plus. Now this oxygen atom has two lone pair of electrons, and these lone pair of electrons will attack on H plus, and the carbon will acquire a positive charge. So the reaction will be written as follows: CH3 single bond, C single bond, OH single bond, CH3. Remember that the same two lone pair of electron will be present, but the carbon atom will acquire a positive charge. We'll represent this reaction as double arrows in opposite direction. Now, step number 2 is deprotonation. Same intermediate as CH3 single bond, C single bond, OH. And here, this proton will be removed and the bond will be shifted in between the carbon and C plus in order to stabilize this intermediate. So we will get CH3 single bond, C single bond OH, double bond CH2. This particular isomer is called as enol isomer of ketone. So this process will be called as enolization. We will define enolization as the process of conversion of ketone to its enol isomer. Next, we are going to discuss the base catalyzed tautomerism. It is also a two-step mechanism. In step number 1, the first step will undergo deprotonation. Ketone will react with hydroxyl group. So you can imagine that from which place the deprotonation will take place. Definitely the CH3 will lose its one proton, and consequently the sigma bond will be shifted in between these two carbon atoms, while the electron-electron repulsion will push these pi electrons on towards oxygen atom. So we will say that with the expense of removal of one water molecule, we get our intermediate as C single bond O negative, double bond CH2. In step number 2, protonation will take place to get our desired tautomer. So, in this case, we will write up this intermediate again. And we'll make it to react with proton. So, it will take up the proton and we will get our enol. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you may not miss an update. Thank you.